So now we're gonna curl the hair just to define waves into the hair so she has smooth movement. She can either choose to wear it down or she can wear it up. So I will show you. Curl the hair a little bit. Somebody, as you know, she has really fine hair, and it's difficult for her to, to do it really early because then she have no curl by the time she goes. But you can actually use a little bit of gel to make it thicker, little hairspray before you curl it. In this case, we only use a little bit of um, gel before we blow dry it just to make the hair a little more workable. The other side of the head I have curl it and pin it just to hold the curl. And this side I'm just gonna curl them so I can show, easier how you can do it in home. You don't have to actually pin it. I just did it because the hair is fine and we wanted to hold a little more wave to it. But either way, it's okay. You do get better results by pinning it though, so it's like putting rollers. Like some people don't have the time and choose to do it with the curling iron, and it works as well. This is the fastest way to do it though. I'm gonna bring this down so I can show you. So you can use the brush or just your hands to. You have to take the curl. You have to make it look natural, so the hair moves as you go on. There's one way you can wear it. This will be like putting rollers or use it with the curling iron. So as you see, the hair is fine, but it has a lot of movement and it has body to it. Can I get the? Can I still get that?